Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendalore. If you're new or you're just passing by for the first time, hi and welcome. Around, I do love and appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I say thank you. So yes, I got a request to talk about a very simple. This video is going to be very short, guys. So a very simple black soap that can brighten the skin. So instead of me doing the practical, I don't have the soap here, so I'm just going to talk about it. So you can just bring out your biro and your paper, or will I say your pen and paper, so we can talk about it. Let's talk about the soap. Are you guys done? Have you brought your biro and your paper? Good. So we're going to need is a simple soap. Sure you understand. So what you're going to need is small Ghana soap. Let's say how no that small Ghana soap, when you buy it, when you go to the market and you buy it, divide into 4, and then also buy Nigerian soap. They sell it 500 naira for the wrap, so you're going to just divide it into 2. Nigerian black soap actually helps with rashes. If you're having rashes, ringworm, eczema, pimples, yeah, that soap works very well. And also they also use it for kids, so you can use that one as well. So just divide it into 2, and then shred your Ghana soap, add your black soap to it. Then you're going to bring and get turmeric. Okay, just use 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric. Do not add lemon, oh guys, please don't add lemon to it. Yeah, so turmeric, add your turmeric. So this recipe, actually, she said she needs something she can afford, something that is very simple, something that is safe, and something that is going to work for her. So I'm doing it budget friendly black soap. You understand? Budget friendly brightening black soap. So that's why you have your turmeric. Also, you can get neem powder. They sell dogoyaro at the market. Dogoyaro, you can buy 15 naira one. It's just the leaf, you just blend it, filter it. There's the dried one, there's the fresh one. Buy the dried one, just blend it with that dried blender something. Just filter it. That's dogoyaro, funny enough. That's dogoyaro. And also those people that sell black soap, that sell organic things, most times they do have rice powder, or you can make your own rice powder. So you just add 2 tablespoons of rice powder in the soap, 1 tablespoon of your neem leaf, which is the dogoyaro soap. So now we have what do we have turmeric, we have rice powder, and then we have dogoyaro. So also you can buy that olive oil that is small that they sell 600 naira. Buy it. Buy carrot, do carrot oil. You get, just do carrot oil, and that's the oil you're going to use to put inside. So do it. Then buy that glycerin. You don't have to buy expensive glycerin, just buy that 100 naira glycerin, that small bottle that they sell in the market there. Buy it, 100 naira, and then put inside. Just put 2 tablespoons inside. Then your carrot oil, you can put 2 tablespoons as well inside it, or 3 tablespoons. Pound it very well. Okay, I would say sulfur, but most people react to sulfur. I don't know if you react to sulfur or not. I don't put sulfur in my paints. So pound it very well. Make sure everything mixed together. Just keep on doing it, like mix it together like that. Okay, and then the market, they also sell this glycerin that is with rose water, in case the soap is too strong. I know people will ask, what if it is too strong, what am I going to add? So you can, that is the, to me, it's better. There's a smaller one. There are different types. There's one that is on white paper, and then there is the other one. I'm looking at time because I don't want the time to be too long. There's a smaller bottle. That one now is 500 naira. So it's rose water and glycerin. It's better you just put in that one, so that it can make your soap, come together inside. Then you can add a cube of sugar inside, or if it's grinded sugar, buy 10 naira grinded sugar and just put inside, and then mix everything together. Package. No need for preservative. No need, because there is nothing water inside. The only thing that is will be the liquid inside, will be your oils and that your rose water, which already is factory made. So there is always a way to preserve those things, so you don't preservative in the soap. So this is a very friendly budget black soap that is going to make your skin bright and glow. Even that oil that you're buying, so that you want to, I said you should use and do carrot oil. You can also use it to do pawpaw oil as well. Just divide into two. After all, it's only small thing you need. Just buy pawpaw in the market, 15 naira pawpaw. Buy small carrot. You can even beg them, give me carrot of 15 naira, they will give you only one. You don't need much. You don't need much. So just do with 1,000 naira, you've made a soup that can last you, and then it's going to be, it's perfect. It's going to work, and you're going to glow your skin, and people will be wondering self. So this is a very friendly or a budget friendly way to make your black soap, and that is going to work. Also, you can add palm oil, a tablespoon of palm oil inside. I like palm oil in my soap because it contains vitamin A, it contains vitamin E. Also, it brightens the skin, it sheds dead skin, and all that. So that is another very good way to a budget friendly way actually. Yeah, that is a budget friendly way. So what are the ingredients I mentioned again? I talked of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon, neem powder, 1 tablespoon, what again did I mention? Okay, rice flour, let's say 2 tablespoon, dogoyaro, your carrot oil, 2 tablespoons. If you decide to use papaya oil as well, add 2 tablespoons as well. It's going to reform. The oil is not too much. And then that glycerin stuff I added, you can put it in. You get, so just put it in. Palm oil, a tablespoon of palm oil, and it's going to actually help very, very well. So mix it all together, and then a cube of sugar. So pound it all, mix, 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 mix. Package, make sure what you're using is clean so that you don't have reaction, and what you're going to package it in, make sure it's also clean, and then put it together, and voila, that's your soap. Ding 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 ding. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was useful to you guys. Like my video now, abba. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video with your friends, invite people to join our family, and thank you guys so much for sticking around. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.